Ok, buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Marvin. Un honor estar frente a usted. Leí su biografía y realmente me admiró y me sacó una lágrima. Mi primera pregunta es, de acuerdo a su investigación en su proyecto del descubrimiento, con lo cual ganó el premio Nobel, ¿usted sabía que era algo trascendental en ese momento o nunca lo pensó en ese
Okay.
momento?
Well, the first question from Marvin. First, he says that he was very inspired by your story. He read your biography and was in tears actually by reading all your work and all your story. And his question is regarding your discovery with which you won the Nobel Prize, and if you were aware from the beginning of your discovery that that this would be so fundamental for science, if you were aware from the start.
Thank you for the question. I remember the moment when I first was able to see the work of my student Peter Novick, who had cut a thin slice through the first mutant that we isolated, and he called me down to the electron microscope room to see this image of cells just chock full of vesicles. I knew at that moment that we had an important discovery and that it would provide us with an opportunity for the next 20 years or more to discover the molecular mechanism of protein secretion. So I knew at that moment that it was big. I had no idea at the time that the discovery would reveal the same mechanism in human cells. That only came later when we were able to clone the genes that we discovered in yeast. And then when the human genome was sequenced, it became clear that the same genes were evolutionarily conserved over 2 billion years. It was not entirely surprising that that discovery was made subsequently, but it certainly was something that amplified the importance of our original discovery.